Have you ever tried to mix colors that sit opposite each other on the color wheel and it felt loud, messy, like your room was arguing with itself? Today, I'm going to show you how designers blend opposite colors beautifully without it looking chaotic or childish. And once you understand this, you'll never be afraid of bold colors again.
Give me you, everything else can wait. Give me you.
Hey family, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing complementary colors. So let's get into it. But before we get into it, I want you guys to subscribe. I want you guys to hit that like button, and I also want you to share the video. Hitting the like button actually helps the channel. And to all my new subbies, welcome to the family. Let's get into it, guys. Opposite colors, also called complementary colors, sit directly across from each other on the color wheel. I want you to think blue and orange, green and red, purple and yellow. These combinations create contrast. That contrast creates energy, and energy creates visual interest. The problem isn't the colors. The problem is how they're being distributed. Designers never let opposite colors compete equally. One color must be louder. The other color supports. If you're blending blue and orange, let blue be 70% to 80%, and orange becomes the 20% to 30% accent, or vice versa. This prevents visual fighting. When both colors are equal weight, that's when it feels chaotic. If both colors are bright and saturated, they scream at you. Instead, keep one bold, let the other be muted, dusty, earthy, or toned down. For example, instead of bright red and bright green, try olive green and deep brick. Same placement on the color wheel, very different emotional results. Design is not about the color name, it's about saturation and the tone. A neutral space is what makes bold colors feel elevated. White walls, warm woods, creamy upholstery, or black accents. Think of neutrals as visual breathing room. When you remove the buffer, complementary colors feel overwhelming. When you add it, they feel intentional. If you introduce orange in one throw pillow, repeat it somewhere else. Art, a book spine, a small object, or even a vase or a flower. When a color appears once, it feels random. When it appears 2 or 3 times, it feels curated. Complementary colors naturally attract attention because they stimulate the eye. That's why brands use them. That's why sport teams use them. That's why they pop in photography. But in interiors, we don't want stimulation everywhere. We want a balance. So, we control contrast instead of eliminating it. If your space feels flat, you probably need some contrast. If your space feels chaotic, you probably need control. Opposite colors aren't enemies, misuse is. In every successful room using opposite colors, one color leads, one dominates, and one supports. If both are fighting for attention, the room feels aggressive. This is where most people ruin it. They go 50-50. Designers never go 50-50 with high contrast colors. Okay? I want you to remember this. Next, remember, bold colors needs a neutral anchor. So your wall, your rug, your large upholstery. Without that neutral, your eyes have nowhere to rest. Remember, I speak about this over and over. In design, your eyes need somewhere to rest. You need calm around chaos. And now you know how to use them like a designer. If this helped you to see color differently, subscribe to Jag by Design because we design for the way you live.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you now have a better understanding on how to use complementary colors. Leave me a comment down in the description and let me know if this was one of your decorating issues that you have been having. And if so, I hope this video helped you. As you saw in my space, I used two complementary colors together. One was more dominant in the space, which is the orange tones, and then I just softly put that navy blue in. What that did, it didn't give attraction to the navy blue or the orange, but they both complemented each other. So guys, go try it in your space and come back here and let us know how it turned out for you. Family, I want to say thank you again for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Always remember, never let your budget dictate your style, but create a space that you love. Design for life.